Hello and welcome to U-News Weather Update. My name is Ben Schink and thank you for joining me here Thursday, March 8th. Weather headlines, we do have a slight chance of snow today, about maybe up to a quarter of an inch, but it's really on about 20 to 30% chance. So most of our snowfall is likely done for the day. Going into tomorrow, it's going to be pretty windy and it's also going to be pretty warm though. And that trend is going to continue into our spring break and into Saturday and into the early next week. We see here in the past 12 hours, we had a little bit of snowfall across the Red River Valley, but most of it just under the cloud coverage. We see this band of rain going down to the south, and that's in association with this cold front that just passed through. Now, this is going to push eastward and cause some convective storms actually popping up across this east coast. So if you're heading out there for maybe an early spring break, be careful. You might be experiencing some severe weather. Here in Grand Forks, however, we see this cold front that just passed through. That'll be giving us a chance of snow throughout the day. However, this warm front that'll be pushing through Friday and Saturday, that's going to give the whole region some really warm spring-like temperatures, and we'll get to that later in the show. Normal high, normal low, 30 and 12, our record high and record low of 46 and negative 20, respectively. Monthly snowfall might change about a quarter of an inch today, but more than likely it'll stay here about 3.7 inches. Just a reminder, sunrise, sunset, getting closer and closer to 12 hours. Spring ahead is on Sunday, so be careful. Remember to set those clocks ahead an hour so you don't miss church or any other morning activities. Going off into the highs across the region, 27 here in Grand Forks, 36 in Jamestown, 36 in Minot, 43 in the capital. Over in Minnesota, it's a little bit cooler today for them, 30 in Bemidji, 33 in Duluth, 27 in St. Cloud. Lows for tonight, we're going to see Baudette is going to be our cold spot for tonight. They're going to be down to negative 9 near Lake of the Woods, 9 in Duluth, and 11 over in St. Cloud. North Dakota is actually a little bit warmer, 12 in Jamestown, 19 in Minot, and 17 down in South Dakota for Aberdeen. Here in Grand Forks, what we're going to expect to see for today and tonight, we're going to see a high of 27 with a chance of snow. It's going to be pretty windy, and that's going to continue all the way through tomorrow. See that gust up to 44 miles per hour, wind at 22 to 25 miles per hour for tonight with a temperature of negative 5. So that's going to be even colder for wind chill, so be careful if you're going outside, dress warmly. Tomorrow's high will be 31, and it's going to be, again, windy, but a lot nicer. Now we see here, look at all these temperatures above freezing, 34 in Fargo, 57 in Bismarck, and 54 in Minot. That snow is going to be melting off really fast. And Minnesota is still mostly above freezing. Even Duluth at 30 is going to be probably melting off the snow, as the temperature at the ground is usually warmer than the temperature in the air. Lows for tomorrow, 29 here in Grand Forks as well as in Fargo, 36 in Minot. Minnesota, again, a little bit cooler, 20s throughout most of the region. Extended forecast, we're seeing, again, nice weather on Saturday, 44, and then it's going to get into above 50s into Monday and Tuesday. So really nice weather for flying for anyone who's staying here over the break.